In this video, we're going to walk through how to get started with SmartRepricer, our automated pricing engine that helps Amazon sellers win the buy box, protect their profit margins, and save valuable time. It doesn't matter if you're just new to repricing or getting started with Seller 365. We'll show you exactly what you need to do first. First things first, connect your Amazon Marketplace. To do that, go to the Settings section in your navigation bar, then click on Marketplaces. Click Add Marketplace and choose your selling region, such as North America, Europe, or Asia Pacific. Then you'll be prompted to log into your Amazon Seller Central account and authorize SmartRepricer to access your listings. Once you've granted access, SmartRepricer will automatically begin syncing your listings. You can even connect multiple marketplaces if you're selling internationally, with each one having its own pricing strategies. After connecting your marketplace, SmartRepricer will begin importing your active Amazon listings. This usually takes a few minutes depending on your catalog size. Once syncing is complete, your product list will appear, showing important information like SKU, ASIN, current price, buy box status, and competitor offers. This is the information that SmartRepricer uses to make real-time pricing decisions. Head over to the Strategies tab and click Add New Strategy. You'll have two options there. Choose from ready templates like buy box targeting or maximize profits, or create a custom strategy tailored to your specific business needs. Within the strategy, define how SmartRepricer should behave. Should it undercut the lowest offer, match the buy box, or raise the price once you win the buy box? Then, set your min and max price boundaries. This ensures that SmartRepricer never prices your product too low or too high. Now that your strategy is ready, let's apply it. Go back to your product listing and filter by category, SKU, or even sales velocity. Select the listing you want and assign the strategy. You can apply different strategies to different product types, like using a more aggressive rule for competitive categories and a conservative rule for slow-moving inventory. To save even more time, you can use workflows, SmartRepricer's automation engine. Workflows allow you to trigger rule changes or actions automatically based on conditions like inventory level, buy box loss duration, sudden price drops, or new product listings. Workflows keep you competitive without daily manual updates. Once your rules are active, SmartRepricer gets to work. On your dashboard, you'll be able to monitor buy box win rate, recent price changes, margin impact, and alerts for suppressed listings or out of bound prices. You can pause prices at any time or tweak strategies based on your performance. And that's it, SmartRepricer is now up and running. To get even more out of SmartRepricer, make sure you check your dashboard weekly, review your win rate, tweak your strategies, and use workflows to automate your pricing engine like a pro. We hope this video has been helpful and you feel empowered using Seller 365.